as long as the user keeps using now. So you know elementary fall so slow.
5-0 Everton.
Nah, I don't know. Torres is fit, so hopefully he'll be getting back some goals.
That doesn't make any difference whether he's fit or not. He's still crap.
He's not.
We'll see. I better watch my mouth a little bit on this kind of subject, but no, obviously it's not good for any of the Merseyside clubs. Like if we're going through that and with administration possibly looming, it's not looking good. Like
just need a change. Like it's just not working out. You just haven't got the funds. Like so, any new owner will be great. I think.
I'll own it.
Yeah. Well, you got the funds.
Nope. I don't really like the idea. Like
the idea
that's why they're set.
They're two different sides. You know what I mean? It's two different, completely separate entities in it. So
they smell completely different as well. Never really got my game. I think I played left back once for a Chinese team.
Left back once?
No, we got left back as a position.
Oh, right, sorry.
Yeah, Liverpool fan wouldn't know about that.
I'd have Steven Gerrard because he's actually a fan of the band, so he probably knows half the songs. He's been to watch us a few times.
I just walk out and just say I'm Liverpool's new owner. I'll buy this place and it'll be the new training ground. We went down to the pub to watch this match and basically we think a barmaid basically heard a load of scousers talking about guns, being sound of guns, and basically rang the police and said that there was loads of, just scousers with guns. We got back on our bus, the door opened, and just said, come on with your hands up. There was like literally about 50, 60 guns trained on the van. They'd cordoned off both ends of the street. They just took us all out and searched us all and all. And then they asked for a guest list on the way out as well, cheek.
How many's in the drums?
I probably wouldn't, yeah, that's
I
it.
heard that band, the drums, they just wind me up like with this stupid dancing on
Well,
stage.
that's it, we take the dancing on, but just...
One of them's left, so probably have a spare bullet for someone else, but I don't know what defo go for.
Were you thinking me then?
No.
Well, yeah, the drums, we'll just we'll use all the ammunition. Do the drums, do the bottom. Depends how much money they offer me. I know it's shot for cash on it, they all definitely aren't they? But yeah, I'd do it for a tenner.
There's good money in it. We've got a mate who's actually done one. And he gets a few thousand quid every time a big football tournament comes
Every
around.
time England win a game.
He gets in all the compilations, you know, every year, like, so he makes a few quid out of that, so it might be worth it. Do you reckon?
There's been some good ones though. I just can't think of them. We had what's his name at one of our gigs. It's not quite as high profile as Gerrard, but Darren Anderton. When we played with the Doves, but he didn't seem to know what was going on. I'd like to know whether he knew he was actually in there, like, and he can replace all those bevies he nicked as well.